like a spanner when you hold it up in the light. It don't work. It works on one side, isn't it? All around the water line is just wide and weird.
Yeah.
I don't know. Some of the woodworkers really just had to stop working. Just gone through the whole thing. He thought it had been on the bottom.